Thomas and the tank engine.
Once there was a little blue tank engine named Thermos. He had 6 small wheels, a short stumpy funnel, a short stumpy boiler, and a short stumpy dome. Claude sometimes helps Thermos. He's a blue tender engine with a number 2 on his sides. Thermos had lots of fun with Tubby, the number 7 brown from engine, helping Edward with the hopper trucks. There were all sorts of interesting things for a little blue tank engine to do in seeing Sutter. Thermos felt good seeing Sutter for the first time in his sheet, in his very own tub he has ever slept in. But one morning it did not feel so good. Thermos woke up with pains in his buffers and hatches in his wheels. Thermos, I think someone else will have to sleep in that said Tobbe as he pulled up. Today we shall go out to the timber yard and make a bigger one. Don't worry about that, Thermos, said Edward as he puffed away, smiled. You've outgrown your little just in time. It was true, there was his snug little, with a green tank and Jan inside. His name was Percy, and he had the number 6 on his sides. He was very little but very lively. As Thermos puffed over for a closer look, Percy tooted his whistle. Tommy laughed. The next morning he woke up feeling fine, with no pains in his buffers or arches in his wheels. His funnel was a little tender, though